Time for another happy studying session with Mometrics Academy. Hi everyone, and welcome to this video lesson on fact versus opinion. Let's get started with some definitions so we know what we're talking about. First, let's define what a fact is. A fact is something that we know to be true, something that's provable. For example, the capital of the state of Texas is the city of Austin. This is something we know to be true. It's provable, and therefore it's a fact. However, an opinion is a little bit different. An opinion is based off someone's personal feelings or beliefs. An example of opinion might be that singing is fun. Not everyone agrees with that. Some people might like to sing, and some people might not. Therefore, it's an opinion. Make sense so far? Let's try an example real quick. Read the following sentence and decide if it contains fact or opinion. Going to the movies is fun. Is this an opinion or a fact? Well, because it's not something that's provable, and some people might disagree on whether or not it's true, we think this is probably most likely an opinion. Does that make sense? Authors might try to convince you about something. The author might use many opinions and not use many facts, so it's important for the reader to be able to tell the difference between fact and opinion. When you read something but are not sure if it's a fact or an opinion, you should ask yourself, can this be proved? If it can, it's probably a fact. If not, it might be an opinion. Let's try some more examples real quick to get a better handle on this. Try to figure out if these sentences are fact or opinion. Math is really hard. 2 plus 2 equals 4. George Washington was the first president of the United States. What do you think about these so far? Were you able to figure them out? Let's take a look at the first one again. Math is hard. Is this statement an opinion or a fact? Well, remember that math might be hard for some people and not hard for others. So if someone says math is difficult, then perhaps for them it is, but not for another person that you might know. So therefore, it's an opinion. Make sense? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Is this statement one of fact or one of opinion? Well, if you know math, 2 plus 2 does equal 4, and we can prove it with this addition problem. Therefore, it's a fact. 2 plus 2 always equals 4. Now, George Washington was the first president of the United States. History provides us with enough evidence that we can prove this to be true. George Washington was the first president of the United States. Therefore, we would consider this a fact, not opinion. Does that help so far? I hope so. Let's try one last practice problem together. Decide whether the following sentence is a fact or opinion and explain your reason. School will begin at 9 a.m. and end at 3, Monday through Friday, except for holidays. A reader needs to find out if the information in the sentence is correct. This sentence has information about the school schedule. It can be proved by checking with the school to see if it is correct. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching this video lesson, and until next time, happy studying.